Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 27, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Column F, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, column G, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column F, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. Seven and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column F, we already have 9. 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 9th row, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, column F, column D, we have 4. Four can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, and then column C, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. First grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. Second grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3rd row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column J, on 2nd grade, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. Fifth grade, only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Seventh row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row, then column D, we have 6 can't come these cells, and 6 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column H, column I, 8th row, we have 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, 2 will come in another two cells. 7th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 can't come these cell, it will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 6th grade, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, column G, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 9th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. 6th grade, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column J, we have 3 and 8. That will also have 3 and 8, so 3 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another two cells. 9th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 3rd row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 3rd grade, column I, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 8th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here, 7th grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column C, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.